This was a 14-year-old that came in with a trauma on tooth number 9. It was actually avulsed in a bicycle accident. So this tooth was left out over 24 hours. Mom put it in milk, and then she sent it to a pediatric dentist to get it stabilized with a splint. So here it is with the splint. The patient came to see me. We did a limited field of view 3D CBCT, and we can see here there's no fracture in the root, but there is some PDL thickening due to the trauma and where the tooth was luxated here. So as we rotate it to the palatal aspect, the root is intact and there is no trauma in the alveolar crest. So we decided to use Triton as our main irrigation on this case, and we used bioceramic root canal sealer and gutta percha in a single visit. So this is the cone fit, and this is the final obturation with the bioceramic sealer. You see we have a little bit of excess material out in the bone, and that's okay. And this is a 6-month recall showing that that bone is healed up really nicely. You can see the bioceramic sealer has incorporated into the bone. Patient is asymptomatic. The splint is off and the PDL is intact. So this patient was very fortunate to allow us to be able to do this in one visit using bioceramic technology and CBCT. More information in my book.